what is the key feature, or what are the key features? Near water. What about water? Near water? Well, yes, but there are places like the classic region of Bordeaux in France. It's near water. It's not Mediterranean at all. It's maritime, and that's why you have such bad vintages of Bordeaux, because it rains like crazy. But in good vintages, it doesn't rain that much. It's okay. That's maritime. But why these places tend to be like Mediterranean climate?
It has raining and moderate winters, and also dry and warm summers.
Yeah, we don't care about winters. We care about summers. Because winter, we care about it because the grapes need to be dormant and they need to sleep and get well the next spring. But the key feature is the dry summers. And only about 2% of the whole continent on the earth has this kind of climate. Some people ask me, hey, you're from China. China is so big. You must be able to plant great grapes at some places and make great wines in large scale. I said, never, ever. Why? Because we never have a place that has dry summer. Why? Because if you look at United States as compared with China, China doesn't have West Coast. Here we have West Coast. And where do you find the Mediterranean climate? West Coast. Right? So you have the dry summer, you don't have the crazy rain, you have the sunshine, you have the cool nights but without rain, and you have great grapes. And it's so easy to grow these kind of grapes. But there is a problem. Let's describe Mediterranean climate again. We have dry summers. What's the problem of dry summer? Drought, fire. So nowadays, we are all talking about sustainability, right? How do we deal with drought problems? People are thinking, oh, you can put solar panels. You do all these kind of Elon Musk thinkings. But you are still... Okay, one of my cousins works at a solar company. He works in China, but it's an American company over here. He said that in order to make a proper solar panel, you are actually using a lot of energy and materials and waste materials and all that. On the long run, it's more sustainable, but still you are consuming these kind of, non-natural resources to make these kind of solar panels, right? So what do we do in agriculture then? Considering people still need to drink wine.
We irrigate.
Irrigate, but still, we irrigate, but they want to cut back, right? How do you cut back?
You find drought-resistant varieties.
Excellent. That is the key. The best way is to find grapes that don't need that much water and they grow well and we appreciate. And what do? You look for the grape varieties that so adapt to the local dry Mediterranean conditions. And where do they find them? Central, southern Italy, Greece, southern Spain, all these kind of places.